Thutha wa makiria ya ihinda ria miaka iri ya gutharario kwa motungata sekta-ini ya ugendi kurumirira king'uki gia COVID-19, riu maundu ni mambiriirie gucokereria.
You realize that we still on the recovery path since COVID, and we have made tremendous progress in that area.
Kuringana na murugamiriri munene wa gikundi kia ugendi na uthuthuria David Gitonga, gukinyiria muthiaini wa mwaka muhituku, MIHANG'O ya ugendi bururi-ini yarugamire gicunji kia 73 hari 100, mwaka uyu maundu makioneka guthie na mbere kugacira o kinyagia gicunji kia 92 hari 100 gukinyiria mweri wa gatandatu.
I'm talking of recovery towards the best year numbers of 2019. By the end of June this year, we were at 92% recovery in terms of going back to the best year numbers. So we are making very good recovery, and we are confident, like our cabinet secretary has been saying, that by the end of this year we should be somewhere around the 2019 figures, if not beyond.
Gitonga araragia hindi ya GIIKARO na ANYITI ITEMI sekta-ini ya ugendi kaunti-ini ya EMBU, akimuria guthie na mbere kugacirithia motungata, kuria ningi atariirie ati sekta ino iri na itemi nene muno ria kunyita maundu-ini makonie ugaruruku wa riera. Kaunti ya EMBU ni horirwo ndebeta imwe ya kaunti iria ciri na monanio ma kuguciriria agendi na kugacirithia ukuria wa kaunti.
Na ile tunafanya challenge kwa Embu County, wako karibu sana na Nairobi. Watu ni wengi sana Nairobi. Tungependa Embu iweke kwa maanani wale watu wako Nairobi, ni aje watakuja hapa kusherekea, ikue wako na competition na Naivasha, Machakos. Hii ni town yenye inatakikana kukua sana.
Hadwini Hakameme TV, yetagwo Gena wa Waduro.